Spring is here, and the big question is, what crops can you grow that thrive in this season and help the planet? Today, we're diving into the best sustainable spring crops, ones that save water, enrich soil, and taste amazing. Stick around for expert tips that'll make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. Oh, and if you're excited already, hit that like button, share this with your green thumb friends, and subscribe for more eco-friendly hacks. Let's grow this community together. First up, peas. Why peas? They're not just sweet and crunchy, they're secret soil superheroes. Peas are legumes, meaning they team up with bacteria in the soil to fix nitrogen. Basically, they pull nitrogen from the air and turn it into natural fertilizer. Sustainable? You bet. Expert insight. Plant them early, March or April, since they love cool spring weather around 50 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Pro tip: go for bush varieties like Sugar Ann. If you're short on space, they don't need trellises and still pump out pods like champs. Next, let's talk spinach. Ever wonder why Popeye loved it? Beyond the iron hype, spinach is a sustainability star. It grows fast and sips water like a minimalist, perfect for spring's mild temps. Expert insight: soil scientist Dr. Jane Goodall, not the Jane Goodall, says spinach thrives in well-drained, slightly acidic soil, pH 6.0 to 7.0. Pro tip: succession plant every 2 weeks for a constant supply. Bonus: shade it with taller crops to stretch its season as spring heats up. Now, radishes. Think they're just a spicy snack? Think again, they're the Usain Bolt of crops, ready in as little as 3 weeks. Plus, their deep roots break up compacted soil, making life easier for your next planting. Expert insight: horticulturists swear by varieties like Cherry Belle for spring. They're quick and pest-resistant. Pro tip: mix radish seeds with slower growers like carrots. They'll mark the row and loosen soil, while the carrots catch up. Number 4, lettuce. It's the MVP of spring. Grows fast, loves cool weather, and uses minimal resources. From crisp romaine to buttery bib, it's a sustainable dream. Expert insight: aim for 50 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit and partial shade to prevent bolting. That's when it shoots up and gets bitter. Pro tip: harvest outer leaves instead of the whole head for a cut-and-come-again supply all season long. So, there you have it. Peas, spinach, radishes, and lettuce. Your spring sustainability squad. Which one are you planting first? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious. If you love these tips, please smash that like button, share this video with your gardening crew, and subscribe for more sustainable goodness. Let's keep growing greener together. See you in the next one.